Hey guys, welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben. Today I want to talk to you about hitting a home run with Pepe. That's right guys, you know I am the Frog King. Everybody knows I'm the Frog King. We've turned 2 Ethereum into 4 Bitcoin with Pepe in a short period of time. Now, look, I'm not saying this thing's gonna go up. In fact, many people would tell you there's no way that this thing can keep going up. There's just no way. But yet it continues to go up. But some of you are extreme Pepe haters. And if you are an extreme Pepe hater, then that's okay because Pepe doesn't do anything. It has no value. Why would you like it? I don't know. I like it because it gives me money. That's all I like. But we got big news. You guys know we are partnered with BitGet. BitGet is one of our partners on the channel. And when I say partner, they're our exchange partner that we work with. And they had a big announcement today. And I want to let you guys know about it because just today on the live stream this morning, if you were watching, we talked about Pepe and the meme coin, of course, and how you could only do spot trading and margin trading on BitGet with Pepe. Well, now you can actually do futures trading. You can now go long or short with Pepe. But just remember, if you are going to go long or short with Pepe, now it is dangerous. You probably don't want to go 100x. Well, let me rephrase that. You definitely don't want to go 100x. This is a very volatile coin, but you may want to do 2 or 5x leverage, whatever. Make sure you do proper risk management. You know, don't get hit on the head. Use proper risk management. That's what you have to do. This is my kid's batting helmet. Can you tell? Point is, you can now go long and short on Pepe. So for you guys that are Pepe haters, and people that say, these meme coins are garbage, they're going to zero, which eventually one day it will go to zero. Then now this is the opportunity for you to put your money where your mouth is. So we got a link down below for BitGet if you guys want to sign up for it. And a lot of you guys have been asking. Now, if you noticed this morning, let's talk about a couple other things. Talk about a couple of real things here outside of the Pepe BitGet news, which is really big. Because I told you guys, I personally am not going to short Pepe because I feel like we've been talking about it a lot. And I just, personally, I can do whatever I want. However, like I feel obligation. If I'm going to say like I'm in this coin and a lot of people are probably jumping into it because they see, you know, people like me making a lot of money with it, I feel like kind of bad about shorting it. So I'm just not going to do it. But I might go long on it at some point if we get a big dip, for sure. I would probably use 10x or something, maybe 20x. That's what I like. Earlier on the live stream, though, of course, you know, I opened a 20x long. And I'd forgotten that I changed the 20x on Ethereum, but not on Bitcoin. So I have a 75x leverage trade open on Bitcoin right now. And I was up 10% a little bit ago. I've been down between 10 and 40% most of the day. But I don't care. If I lose it, I lose it. That's what I do. Like, you shouldn't have that attitude. I made so much money with Pepe this week and with these other meme coins that I don't really care if I lose 20K on Bitcoin. It doesn't mean anything to me. I'm going to try not to lose it, though. I'm going to try to end that on a positive trade. If I go green again, I'm going to close it. Green, Kermit the Frog. But the other thing, guys, is just on a quick, like, I almost don't even want to put this in this video. You know what? I'm not going to put this in this video. Tomorrow on the show, I'm going to talk about what's going on in New York City that you have to know about, that it is, you know, crypto regulations. Now, remember, so tomorrow we're going to talk about more serious stuff, crypto stuff. I talked to you guys this morning about meme coins and crypto are not the same thing. They're just not. I mean, I'm sorry. It's not the same community. It's not the same investing strategy. It really is a crypto casino like we talked about earlier when it comes to these meme coins. People are making money. And like, on one hand, I'm kind of discouraged because yes, I'm killing it. I'm making money with it. But it's like, really? But of course, you guys know our actual sponsor here is Stake. Stake is a casino online where you can deposit and withdraw in crypto. Very fast, very awesome. They're a great partner of ours. We absolutely love them. And if you make a lot of money on some meme coins, you will go have some fun recreationally. Don't lose your money. Don't lose your gains. You guys can head on over to Stake. We've got some links down below where you can go to my Twitter bio and do that. We have a big Stake giveaway coming, I believe, on the 8th, starting on May 8th. So that's coming out very, very, very soon. But anyways, the point is tomorrow we're going to get more into the crypto regulation stuff and exactly what's going on with the Southern District of New York. I tweeted about it earlier. I would say this, at first glance, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't seem like what they're saying is that bad, but I think they're doing that on purpose. So we'll get more into that tomorrow because obviously, since the crypto community, the people that care about utility, the people who care about the future of our country, people who care about the future of the world, the people who care about not getting great reset, they probably care more about that stuff. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. So, guys, be blessed.
Wow.